Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make this bridal fun. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy. XO. Let's get started. You will need your wooden fan. As you can see in the video, this is the type that I'm going to be using. Okay, there are so many types of fan that you can use, but this is the type that I will be using. Okay, you will also need your spray. This is how the spray looks like. Okay, this is how the type I'm using. This is a brand I'm using. This is how it looks like. Yes, it's a silver one. And you would also need your glue gun. Okay, you would need your glue gun. You can decide to use any other glue that can work better on woods too, but this is what I'll be using. And then your glue stick, to refill it when your glue stick gets finished, you can just refill it in the gun to make it quite easy. Okay, so you will put on your glue gun for some time to make sure that it gets to the melting stage before you start the whole process. Okay, yes, so you apply your glue at the tip of the fan just so it could be able to stabilize the movements. You realize that the fan is extremely flexible. It can just go up and down just like it can just go up and down just like that. Okay, so to prevent it from moving that up and down, close, open, up and down, close, open, you would actually have to stabilize it using your glue. Okay, your hot glue, you have to stabilize it using your glue. So when you apply it at the tip like that, it would actually stabilize it and make it more straightened or more stiff together than it moving just anyhow that it wants to move. Yes, so you can see me applying the hot glue at the tip. Okay, so this is how stabilized it is. You apply it at the tip, as you can see. Yes, and then you would clamp it together to prevent it from actually coming out. Yes, so this is what I'm actually doing here. So this is what you are expected to do to just stabilize it. Yes, you just repeat the whole process till you get to the last end. Yes, and before you actually start using your spray, you have to shake it. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be done. You shake it. Okay, you shake it so that it would be uniformed, because when it's there like that, sometimes it has this deformity. So when you shake it like that, it would actually make it well uniform to be sprayed on. So here you can just spray it on it like you can see me doing here. Yes, so this is actually how it all went down. That is how it is going down with the spraying section. Yes, you're not supposed to make it too close to the fan to spray it. It would make it quite ununiformed, but if it is quite far, it would make it very uniformed. So that is one of the tricks I actually learned using the spray. You just hold it a bit of some inches or centimeters away than it being extremely close, but you have to leave it there for some time for it to dry up, and then you turn and then do the same process with the back. You spray the back till it gets uniformized. Okay, so that the whole thing becomes extremely nicer. But you can decide to choose a different color for the back too if that is what you want, but I wanted it to be in a silver form, as you can see. Yes, that is the whole process. It's going down, baby, it's going down. Yep, it's really going down. So this is it. These are some of the ornaments I'm actually going to use to decorate it. These are the things I will be using to decorate it. You can decide to use anything that you want to use to decorate it. there is no standard thing for you to accept. I always say that craft is all about you and how you want it. So you apply your glue at the back of it, and then you just stick it to it. You follow a pattern that you feel you're comfortable with, then you go. Okay, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share with your friends too. Okay, I will be leaving my other socials in the description box. You can actually link up with me in any of my social media handles. I will be extremely excited to see or to just reply your text messages. Okay, so yes, so we're getting to the ribbon section. Okay, you turn your ribbon for it to be on it, just like this process that I'm doing here. Okay, yes, just like this. Okay, this is how it's expected to look at the end of the day. So yes, take a very critical look at it now. Just look at it, you turn it for it to get to that section, and then you turn the other side. Okay, make sure it's quite bigger to make it quite obvious. Okay, you can decide to make it smaller too. It's all about you, you know. Craft is just all about you. Yes, and then you get your scissors to cut excess out, and then leave it there like that. You apply your glue on it to stabilize it from it becoming a mess. Okay, you just apply your glue on it to stabilize it and make it like a very firm ribbon. Okay, then you apply it on your fan too. That is where I wanted to paste it. Yes, that is where I wanted to paste it. So this is how it is looking like. Yay. Yep. And then I decided to add other stones to it too, to give it a bit of some golden touches to it. Just decorate it how I felt and then how I wanted it to look like at the end of the day. Yep. So this is the whole process of how these bridal fans come into being. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hey, contact or link up with me on my other social media handles. I will be extremely excited to receive a text from you. So that is the same process I'm repeating here, but it's quite faster. Yep. So depending on how you would want it to be, this is actually the back of it. I didn't want it to be more as the front. I just needed to be a bit of some touches, yet so it could be differentiated from but you can decide to make both sides as plenty as you want it to be, depending on how you would want it to be. Okay, so this is the final look, girl. We did it. Yes, we did. So this is the final look. This is the back. Thank you so very much for waiting till the end. Kisses.